All right, guess what today is? It is another release day. And we're happy to have you here with us. We are at our little creek, which is our prime release spot. We have the cage here. This is what we call a soft release. And we have two squirrels here that were about this big, maybe a little bit bigger whenever they came to us. Definitely the size of my palm. You can see how big they are now. A little boy and a little girl. This came to us from Rick and Tiffany, and Charlie and Terry brought us a little girl. So what we're going to do is we're going to put them in a release cage. I have some food here. The bars on this cage are big enough for the squirrels to fit through, but if they need protection, they are also small enough so predators cannot get to them. I do have a little bedding and stuff here, which they will take the bedding and put it in this hollow tree, which is where the squirrels typically hang out, and then they move on up and build themselves a nice nest in the upper trees. So this gives them a great spot, plenty of water, plenty of food. There is actually an 80-acre field behind me. You can't see, but it's a big cornfield. This is some of the corn out of it. Squirrels love it. Gives them plenty of food and plenty of water. So let's go ahead and let them out in here. Go ahead and take a look at your new homes. There you go. Hey. You don't want to go, do you? I guess I'll just take the box apart. Come on, squirrely. Ta-da. All right, come on out. Perfect spot for them. As I said, they do have bedding in here.